She want fashion, she get fashion, all in the mansion, feeling like dancing, Cartier's dancing, AP dancing. She ain't perfect, but she worth it, she be serving.
Welcome back to my channel, my CD fam. If you're new to my videos, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. In this video, I'll be trying out my first headband wig. If you want to see how I installed it, please keep on watching. So I really love the packaging that this hair came in. It's a cute little drawstring bag. Here's the little thank you note that it came with. And a wig cap. There are 2 pieces in there. And the hairband, which I will not be using, because I'll be doing a different style. I'll be leaving the front of my hair out. I saw this on TikTok somewhere. I saw a girl do it. If you know the girl that done it, maybe you can leave her name in the comments or whatever, but let me know. But yeah, I'm just gonna do it a different way rather than the usual leaving out the edges kind of style. But yeah, this hair came with 3 combs, or I think 4 combs. Yeah, 3 in the front and I think 1 in the back. Yeah, and the strap is like a velcro kind of fastening, so it's really easy, guys. And it's in 20 inches. I'm showing the card at the moment. Yeah, 20 inches. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start like just fluffing out the hair, make it a bit more fuller, because the seller did tell me that it looks small when it first comes, so it's best to like fluff it out so you get the full volume of the hair. Yeah, it's a really nice soft texture as well. Okay, so for this style, I leave out some of my hair in the front, and I got my mom to cornrow my hair in the back because I can't cornrow. And if I could, I probably wouldn't be able to get it done myself, like on my own head. But yeah, so I'm gonna put on the stocking cap on the cornrow part, and then just like put the wig over that section where the wig cap is. So at this point, I'm just feeling where the combs are and just pushing them into my hair to secure the wig. And now I'm just going to fasten the Velcro at the back. So now I'm going to use this gel that I found in my local beauty supply store. So I'm just taking my bristle brush and just trying to smooth in all the stray hairs. Just try to make it a little bit smooth. My hair, I have like 4C natural hair, so it's going to be a bit hard to blend, but I try my best to blend it in. And just take like half of the hair, the hairband wig here, and and put it in a ponytail with my hair to secure like a little ponytail at the top. So what I'm doing here, I'm just trying to separate my natural hair from the wig hair so I can just wrap it around the ponytail. But what I'm doing here now, I'm just trying to decide what I'm gonna do exactly. But I think I just decided to give it just twist it together, because I was just gonna wrap it around like that, but then I changed my mind and just give it like a 2-strand twist. So I thought it'd be easier to give it a 2-strand twist first, and then yeah, here I am trying to do the two-strand twist so I could wrap it around a little bit easier, because I didn't want to wrap it around like loose and then it just unravels easier. So what I'm doing is putting it into a 2-strand twist and just gonna wrap it around the ponytail and secure it with a bobby pin. So I'm using my favorite gel for my edges, my gummy wax, and I'm just going to do my edges, my baby hairs, and I love this gel. It secures my baby hairs really well, and it lasts like all day, even to the next day. Like, so this is the finished look. It's not perfect. I realized I didn't put any water and mousse at the ends of my hair. It looks a little dry, but yeah, I forgot that bit. But yeah, I done it afterwards. But yeah, this is the hair, how it looks at the end. I really like it. Let me know what you think of this look. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.